Welcome to mycutetoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw a magical unicorn, so follow along with me. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the ear of the unicorn, so follow along with me. We're going to draw a curvy little line like this, and we're going to return it like so. And we're going to draw the inside of the ear as well. Then we're going to draw some hair swerving down like this, and now we have to draw the eyes. So usually I draw first a line like that, and then from here we're going to draw an eye like so, and we're going to draw the inside of the eye and another big circle inside, and then two smaller circles inside the eye, so where the light is reflecting. Then from there we're going to draw the front of the face. So we're going to start here, we're going to go down, we're going to go back, and we're going to do this. And now for the horn, we're going to draw around like that, and we're going to let's start with the hair. So we're going to draw a line like so, and then again something like this, and we're going to bring down the little neck of our unicorn. We're going to make a ground like that. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the hair. So the hair is going to go down, and it's going to come up, and then again it will go up, and we're going to continue this kind of pattern until we reach a neck. That's good. Then from here we're going to draw a line like so, and we're going to draw a line like that. So this line will sort of connect with this one, or it will seem like it. We're going to draw the hair at the back. We're going to draw it like so long, and we're going to curve it down, and we can maybe return it there like so. So that's going to look good. And another one like so, and you return it. Then after that we're going to draw the front leg. So what we can do is actually we can draw this leg first. We're going to bring it down, and we're going to go down like so. So let's try to give her very long legs. Great. This side, a line like that, and then you're going to take it down like that. You're going to complete the chest. Great. Now we're going to draw the belly. Going to be round like so. Perfect. And now for the back leg, the hind leg, so like so, and we're going to bring it down like so again, and like so. So let's see that the bottom part of the hooves is about the same distance, about the same thickness, and then we're going to go up, and we're going to return like so. Great. Now I want us to draw the other leg. So we're going to go like so, we're going to return back, and we're going to turn it out like so. It's going to go up, and remember we keep these legs thin and long. Next thing we're going to do is let's make a little bit of a curve in her leg, her front leg. So we're going to go down like so, and we're going to return the leg like so, and here we're just going to make a little bit of a, there we go, and we're going to return like so. So there's our other front leg. What do you think? Now let's see what else we're going to do. Now for the wing. So the wing is going to start off like so. We're going to go up and we're going to go there. We're going to return it, go back, and we're going to make 1, 2, 3 little bumps. And now we're going to do the first part of the wing. So we're going to draw a line down, we're going to draw another line down and another line down, and we're going to continue this until we reach the bottom part of the wing. So that's great, that's perfect. Now from here we're going to actually finish up the wing, and you're going to do sort of the same pattern. Great, until we reach the bottom. So I think that's enough. Good. For the other wing, we're going to start maybe like about here. We're going to bring it up and we're going to bring it down. So there is our other wing. And the only thing we're going to do here, we're just going to do this part. We're going to go down and down until the wing disappears behind her. And here, let's continue with her hair. And the hair is going to go past the wing there, and it's going to go back like so. Great. Now it's time that we draw the back side of our horse. Now this is going to be a little bit tricky, so follow along with me. So first I make an indication line like there where I think I can go off, start from, and then I'm gonna, and then it's gonna touch right there. Good. Now we can draw the tail. So the tail, let's make it a very big bushy tail. It's gonna go down, go up, like so. Great, that's perfect. And now what else do we need? I think what we need is a little nose for our unicorn, a smile, always a smile, and then maybe a few stars here in front of her face. There's one star. Let's see, there's another one here. I must just be careful not to smudge the ink while I'm drawing here. So go like so, and another little swirling line like there, and maybe we can draw here one as well, and maybe a little star here as well. There we go. It doesn't have to be precise. Good. And then a little star. So let's draw a little star there. Great. And there we go. So now you can color in this unicorn the colors you like. See you again soon.